Today, what we need to discuss. So today we need to discuss about the time intelligent functions, right? So those related dates between each part is completed, right? So remaining things, okay. Next one is dates in period, very important. Okay, dates in period, all these things. Okay, dates in period means, let's see. First of all, I will apply that function, and after that I will explain it. This dates between also we can most of the time integer functions we can apply it in the calculate function only. Inside the calculate function only we can apply this one. Okay. So calculate and then sum of sales. Okay. Here sales, financial sales, sum units in period. Okay. So dates in period means this is the value. What is this one? First of all, I will explain to you. See here. See this first of all, dates in period function also we are using calculate function. In calculate, you know, right? Sum of sales, like any aggregation function you can write. After that, dates in period. What is the meaning of dates in period means? Suppose, for example, see here in dates in period, in the date column. So first you need to mention the date column. In the date column, I'm so this is the start date. Start date means anything like a minimum date you can give, maximum date also you can give for that one. Okay. And so that means in this date, whatever maximum date is there, in the from that maximum date to minus 1 year. That means, suppose for example, the maximum date is like 27/04/2024 it is there. Okay. Minus 1 year means from this particular month. That means, see, suppose for example 27/04 like this, right? 27/04/2024. That means we are in April. Okay. That means from April to 12 months back. That means April, March, okay, February, and January 2024, December 2023, like that, previous 12 months related. Understand or not? Don't think like minus 1 year means whatever maximum date is there, in that maximum date, whatever year is there, minus 1 year. Not like that. Okay. What is dates in period will do? That means in this date column, whatever maximum date is there, from that maximum date to 12 months back it is. That means, suppose if it is in April month means April, that means April is the first month. Okay, and March is the second month. February 2024 is the third month. Okay, January 2024 is the fourth month. December 2023 is the fifth month. Like that, 12 months back, it will be calculated from that particular month. And so those 12 months related, okay, what are all the dates are there? Those related total sales will be calculated. So this is all. Let's see practically with example. Okay. Suppose, for example, go to the table view. See, in table view, first you need to go to the date column. In this date column, see here, in this date column. So in this date column, see here, in this date column, what is the maximum date here? 1st December 2024. That means from this to 12 months back. That means what is that one? 1st December 2024, November, December 2024, October, September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February, and January. These are the 12 months related one, right? So these 12 months related, I'm selecting only those 12 months. And those 12 months related, what is the sales here? That it will be calculated. For sales, right click on this column and you will see an option copy. Okay, click on copy. Okay, so I'm copying there and paste it in Excel. Then you will understand. See here. So I paste it and automatically when the value is selected, see here it is sum it is showing, right? 923111094. Is that value it is showing? 923. See 923111094.75. That it will be there. Understand clearly now? Okay. This is dates and period. Understand? Very, very important. Dates and period means, so not only this one, any date column. Okay. From this date column, 12 months back, whatever it is there in this one, in this date column, those related total sales will be calculated. Once again, I'm explaining about this function. See here. First, you need to mention the date column. In that, after that, start. This is a start date. Okay, what is that? This is the start date. Start date means only one date you need to give. That it is either minimum date or maximum date you can take it here. Not only from the same date column, you can take from any date, maximum or minimum. Okay, you can take from any date column, any data set date column. See, I'm saying I'm taking the same column here, but you can, if you want, you can use the different date column. From this one, okay, whatever maximum date is there, from that maximum date, 12 months back from here it is. Okay. 12 months back means what is that one? See here, this is the number of interval minus either positive value or negative value. Number of intervals is like a negative value or positive value you can give. And after that interval as year, anything you can pass, month, day, anything you need to pass here. Okay. So whenever you are passing an interval year, from that means from the whatever maximum date is there, from this maximum date, 12 months back it is. Okay. 12 months back means like so that means in that particular date column, whatever maximum date is there, from that maximum date, 12 months. 12 months means what it is. Suppose if you are in March, April means March, February, January 2024. After that, before that, December 2023, November 2023, October 2023, like that, 12 months back. And those 12 months related total sales will be calculated here. Understand clearly or not? This is how dates in period will works. Understand? Yes, Srinivas. We can use the static data also. Suppose here I'm giving like this. Okay. See here. 2013 -11 dash 0 like this. I'm giving static value. See here. If I'm giving the static value also, it will come. See. Okay. So suppose, for example, when you go to this table view, see in this date column. What is the date column here? Date column. In this date column, from what is that one? I'm giving November. From November to 12 months means this one, and this one, this one. Second. Okay. What is this? Here, what value it is showing here? Okay. 21046,814. Okay. So what date I mentioned here in dates below is it 2013. Oh, 2013. Okay. Okay. See, if I 2013 November. Okay. Clear this one. Suppose, for example, in this one, 2013 means November. Okay. This one and this one and now this in those 12 months, see here, in those 12 months, only 3 months only it is there. Okay, previous, that means from that, no, October, no, sorry, November, from November 2023 to previous 12 months. How many dates are there here? For those related calculations only. I'm selecting those only, those related sales, whatever it is there, that total will be calculated. So I have 210, 814, like this, it will be displayed or not. This is how this is how it will be calculated. Understand? Dates and period means like this it will be calculated. Okay. You can give static value or else you can give the column values also. If you want to give the column values means must and should you need to give min or max. Okay. Because okay, you cannot directly pass the date columns. If you are passing the date columns, okay, it is not, it will throw an error. That means because start date means only one date we need to pass. That means that date, okay. So one date you need to pass means that date must and should you need to pass like only one day. So if you want to use only one date from the date column means must and should you have to use min and max, because we already explained clearly in calendar function if you want to pass the column names we are using min and max functions, right? Similar here also. Understand? Okay. Next one is, see, what is the next one? Say dates MTD. Dates MTD means I will tell you one function, remaining all are same. Okay. See here. Suppose dates MTD means, okay, what is this? I will tell you first of all. First, I will write the function and after that, I will explain. Dates MTD. See, just you need to pass the any date column, financial date. Now, I will tell you what dates MTD will do means. See, in this date column, whatever maximum date, maximum month is there, that month related total sales it will be kept. What is that I am saying here? Dates MTD, in dates MTD, when you are passing the date column, it always takes the maximum month, maximum year related only. Then that related total sales it will be calculated. Suppose, for example, okay, the maximum date in that particular one is 01 December 2024. Okay, that related total sales, whatever it is, that it will be calculated. Let's see how it will work. Now, what is the maximum date? That only I'm selected and click on OK. Now see what is the sales here in the date column. What is the maximum month and maximum year is there? That related total sales it will be calculated. So here, what is that one? 11198787. Same thing it is showing or not? Let's see. Here. Okay. 11198787. Correct only or not? Like that. If it is similar like dates QTD means, maximum quarter. That means in the date, what is the maximum year, maximum quarter is there, that related total sales. If you want, I will show you. See here. Suppose, for example, see here, dates QTD. Calculate comma flex dates QT. Yeah. Okay. So in this one, what is the maximum quarter of this one of this data? See here. In this one, what is the maximum quarter it is? See here. Those related things only I need to select it here. Up to December, up to October. These related total sales will be calculated. See here now. What is that one? 297,588,22 like that it is showing. Same here also it is showing. Whatever maximum quarter is there, that means maximum quarter, maximum year. In that one, whatever quarter is there, that related total sales it will be calculated. Okay. 297,588,822.02. Okay. This is how it will be displayed dates QTD. Similar like dates YTD. YTD means what is that one? Maximum year. Maximum year total sales will be calculated. Understand or not? And and here also this is also end of month means month, maximum year. Okay, that related total sales it will be calculated. See here. See here. End of what is that? End of month. So yeah, in calculate function only we are using this one. So more. Yeah. See here. So here, dates MDT, end of month, both are same. Last month related, okay, last quarter, sorry, last month, okay. That means maximum year, maximum month related total sales. How dates MDT will be calculated? These are all calculated like this. See, I don't want to explain all these things again. Okay. Next one is first date. First date means in that particular one, okay, suppose in the date column, okay, whatever the minimum date is there, that date related total sales will be calculated. See here, suppose for example, first date, see here, see here, 4484003. That means, see here, statements that first date is nothing but minimum date. That means in the date column, okay, see here. So that means in this one, so first date means in the financial state in the date column, whatever the minimum date is there, that minimum date total sales will be calculated here. Okay, understand clear or not? Suppose if it is the last date means maximum date. Understand? Whatever maximum date is there, that maximum date related total sales, it will be calculated. Similar functions, okay. And without non-blank values, if you want to calculate, you have to use this one. So this is also same like that. Understand? So next day, next month, next quarter, next year, similar like that functions only it is there. Okay. And we already discuss. We already I already tell you like opening balance month, opening balance quarter, opening balance year. These are all not required to discuss this thing. Okay. Next one is parallel period. Very, 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 very important function. What is parallel period function will do? Let's see. Suppose, for example, similar like a dates in period function is there, right? Similar like dates in period syntax only parallel period, but only small change will be there. So that only I will tell you one second. Is my voice is not clear, Srinivas? Everyone, Srinivas, is my voice is clear? Can you please confirm each and everyone? Yes. Okay, so can you please check it from your end? Maybe Mamata, I think from your side there is a network issue. Please relog in it again. Okay. Yeah. See here, parallel period. Calculate sum of six. Okay. So here, what is that? Parallel period. In this parallel period, okay, first date column, comma, number of intervals mean, suppose for example, minus 1 year. Okay. That means, what is the meaning of this one? See here. What is the meaning of this one means in the financial date column, minus whatever maximum year is there, minus 1 year it will be calculated. Minus 1 means what is the maximum year in that particular financial date 2014. Minus 1 year means what will happen 2013. 2013 related calculations it will shows. Okay, let's see how it will work. Suppose for example, see here, in this one, what is the maximum year? It is 2014. Minus 1 year means 2013 related calculations. See here, those 2013. How many are there? Those related calculations only. It will answer. Okay, see here. And these totals, let's copy this one and see what result it is getting. 26415 like that, right? Same, see, in parallel period. Very, very important function, parallel period and real time. Most of the times we are using. See here, 26415 like that only it is possible. That means what is the parallel period here? Here, see here. First, you have to see similar like dates in period only. Dates in periods same as it is syntax. But in dates in period, first date column, after that start date, after that number of intervals, after that interval, right? Here, the start date is not there. If start date part is removed from the date part, dates in period, okay, it is called as parallel period. See here, same syntax for dates in period only, but in dates in period, four parameters will be there. One is date column, another one is start date, another one is number of intervals, another one is interval. Okay. In parallel period, three parameters it is. One is date column, another one is number of intervals, another one is interval directly. Understand clearly or not? Okay. So this is parallel period. Okay. Tell me Sampath. Sampath.
So here, how it is going to get the year? If we want to select a 2014 year, how you are going to select in
No, no,
parallel period?
you cannot select any year here. You cannot select any year here. In dates and
Okay.
period, you need to pass the static date. Okay. But here, what will happen here it is in the date column, whatever maximum year is there, previous year related calculator. That means minus 1 year I'm given, right? That means the meaning is whatever maximum year is there, previous year related total sales, it will be calculated.
Only for 1 year.
Only for 1 year. Here, because I'm writing minus 1 year, right? If
Okay.
you are
So we
giving
cannot
minus
get
2 years means whatever maximum year is there. Suppose, for example, 2014. Minus 2 means what is that one? 2012.
22.
2012 related total sales. It will be.
Only 1 year, 2012, one year.
Oh, only
From
1 year. Only 1 year.
January to December, right?
January to December, whatever dates are there, those related one. Suppose
Okay.
in that year, if there is a 4 months are there, 4 months related total sales only, it will be calculated. Understand?
Yes. If we want to particular date means we need to take date in period,
Dates in period.
particular year.
Very,
Dates.
very important functions. Dates in period, parallel period. They were in interview point of time also, in real time also. Because see, in interview point of time also, what is the difference between dates in period, parallel period? They're asking this question. Okay. Is that clear, Sampath?
Yes, sir.
If you are giving 0 means what will happen? Very good question, Nagadurga. If you are giving 0, see here, minus 1 year. That means whatever maximum is. If it is 0 means what will happen? Current year related total. Understand or not, Nagadurga? 0 means 0 plus whatever maximum year is there, that particular means what is that one? 20, what is the maximum year? 2014. 2014 plus 0, how much it is? 2014. 2014 related total sales will be calculated and it will show that. Is that clear, Nagadurga? Okay. So this is how it is calculated here. Okay. Next one is like, see here, previous period, previous month, previous quarter, same, all these things are similar like that. Okay. Even total MTD, total QTD, same. Means total MTD means we already calculated dates MTD, right? Okay. Total MTD means current maximum year, whatever maximum year is there, maximum year, maximum month related total sales will be calculated. That is total MTD, total QTD, total YTD, like that. Okay. Understand clearly? This is. Yes, we can give the positive value also, but when you are giving, if you have the date, if you have the column dates are there, future dates are there, that means then you can give the positive value also. Why can't we give? Yes, we can give the positive value also. Okay, but if you are giving positive date means 2014 plus 1 means what is that one? 2015. Is 2015 data is there? If it is there, data will show. If it is not, it won't show anything. Understand, Sampath Kumar? Is that clear or not? Sampath, tell me, Sampath.
Sir, if it is for minimum, we can give the positive values. For max, we can't give, right, in date period.
What is that? What is that?
When we are selecting as a minimum financial year as a date, we can give positive values.
Yeah, minimum means positive. Minimum means
Positive is possible.
positive.
Yeah. For max it is not available, right? Why? Because it will always
Yes. Maximum means maximum date we can take it, right? Always you have to give the negative values.
Or zero, current date. Zero.
Yeah. Zero or negative values.
Negative values for max.
Yeah, for max.
Okay.
Minimum positive values.
Minimum positive. For in
Zero
parallel
or
period,
positive.
in parallel periods, it will be only for 0 minus negative values.
Negative values.
Parallel.
Yes.
This is
Because
not
the
possible
start
for,
date, minimum date, maximum date, we are not giving in parallel period, right? That's the reason.
yeah. Only 0 and negative values are possible in parallel dates.
Right. Yes, yes.
Thank you, sir.
So, okay. So these are the functions of time intelligent functions. See, these are the important category for time intelligent functions. Okay. This is the last category, time intelligent functions. See here, time intelligent functions. See, these are the important functions. Today, I will share this one. Yesterday, I shared the document. Did everyone receive that one? Receive the document, Srinivas and everyone. Did everyone receive my document, right? I shared it in the Google Classroom. Check it once. Okay. And this document also, important DAX category wise also, I will share. See, at least if you prepare these functions also, fine. No need to prepare all the functions which is available in the Microsoft site itself. No need to do that. At least if you prepare that one, and this one. Okay. This is about all the DAX function. What is the next topic? Next topic is not the like model topic. Next topic is model. But before model, we need to discuss about some real-time scenarios in real-time manner, how the DAX questions are there, how we can implement. Okay, I will explain to you one of the folder and remaining I will give it to you and you have to practice and get the output for the each and everything. Okay, I will tell you. And this important DAX files also I will share to you. You can check it in the Google Classroom. Now we need to discuss about real-time scenarios on DAX function. Okay, we already discussed the transform data related. Once the transform data is completed, we are discussing about the real-time scenarios for transform data. Similar like that, like DAX functions also. See here. Today workshop will be there at 9:30 exactly. I already shared the workshop link in this Google Classroom. Check it and you have to join this. Understand? Okay. Next one is we need to discuss about real-time scenarios on DAX function. See here how it will be there. That means see Power BI scenario questions. Okay. In this one, there are see here there are different folders are there. First scenario, second scenario, third scenario. Like that, there are different folders. Folder in each and every folder. Okay, suppose if you go to the folder, in the inside the folder, one Power BI file, one Notepad file will be there. Power BI file, columns and everything is there. In this notepad, questions will be there. You have to read the questions in this notepad and understand this one. Same by using DAX function only, you have to implement those related things in this Power BI. Okay, I will show you. Not only this folder, in each and every folder like this only. One Power BI file, one Notepad file. That means in Notepad file, whatever questions are there, You have to understand those questions. Based on those questions, okay, you have to implement the outputs in using DAX function. You have to implement in this Power BI file. Okay, in this Power BI file, these questions related to columns are available in this Power BI file. You have to open this Power BI file and you have to open the notepad and understand these are the questions. See here, from file name date column, need to extract date part. Okay, that means this is a question. That means in the Power BI file, there is a column called file name date. Okay, this is a column will be there. In this one, date part is also there. That part we need to extract it. Using DAX function, how to implement this one we need to. Okay, and one more important point is, so so when we are discussing about the scenarios, you have complete idea on DAX functions, must and should. Then only we can implement all these functions. Okay, all these scenarios we can implement. Let's see how we can. So what is this one? First, if you didn't understand also, read it properly. From file name date column, need to extract the date. That means, okay, in Power BI file. So what is the Power BI file here? This is the Power BI file. Okay, this is the Power BI file. In this Power BI file, you have the, see here, there is a data set is there. In that one, when you expand that one, there are different columns are there. With those columns, in that particular column, there is a file name. In that file name date column, there is a date part will be there. That date part need to extract it in different column. That is my target. Using DAX functions only, we have to implement each and everything. Whatever scenarios I'm giving DAX related, only using DAX functions only you have to implement. Vijay, transform data I need to apply means no. Only DAX functions. You have to know how many ways we can implement, how many ways we can use the DAX function. With only DAX function you are using and you can get the result. Understand clearly? See here. I already implement all these things, so I'm removing this. Clear. So immediately you have to go to the table view. In the table view, you can see the table data. That means what date column, what date, what data set is there, that data set, what columns are there, everything you can see here. So these columns related. So every time, not only this Power BI file, other scenarios also, you have to open the Power BI file and come to the table view. Under the table view only columns will be there. Based on the column in the notepad, questions will be there. Read it properly and implement something. Okay. You will have file name, date column, diff column, status for count, CTL filed, CTL file count, and data file count. Like that, there are different columns are there. Okay. In this one, what is the first question I'm giving here? From file name date column, need to extract the date part. Okay. In this file name date column, what is the date part here? Date part is not like always like a year and forward slash month date. Not only like that. Sometimes like this also date will be there. 2019 02 16. That is a date also. That is also data. Sometimes they are giving like this. So in this file name date column, see here we have so many characters are there. In that, wherever the date part is there, this will be extracted. Okay, that is what my target is. Okay, so in this file name date column, see here, whatever the date part is there, that need to be extracted in new code. Okay, then tell me what function is there to implement this output. Anyone, like anyone, any DAX function. Only with the DAX functions only we can implement this one. Don't use like transform data and everything. Okay. Now tell me, see here from this file name date column, I want to extract these digits. Okay. Then what function is used to extract this one and put it in the new column? Anyone can tell me? Srinivas, Chiranjeev, Ashwini, okay, Durga, Devesh, Hemant, Lavanya, Mamata Rani, Nagadurga, Pavan Kumar, Fani, Priyanka, Rachana, Radhika, Rajita. Everyone, please respond. Okay, while you going with the scenarios, always see here. Okay, so you have to use it. What is that one? Very good, Nagadurga. Right function. Using the right function, we can extract these related one, right? So how can we implement? You have to take the new column. In the new column, you have to implement what function it is? Right function. In the right function, how many digits are there? Date part is there. That number you need to give. See here. If I explain first scenario, for second scenario, you have a clarity on its own. Okay, don't worry. Okay, first scenario. Right function. In this right function, what is the file name date column? Okay, comma. See here, that column unity pass, comma, number of characters. That means in this file name date column, how many characters you want it, that number unity. Or how many numbers it is? 8. Okay, see like this 2019, 02, 16, and everything. Okay, see here, this is the output. Okay, this is one way we can implement this one. Very good, Nandurka. Another way is I will explain to you. Listen carefully. Okay. See, in another way also we can generate the same output. Okay. See here. First scenario, you can listen carefully. Second scenario onwards, you can start. we can one output we can generate more than one. Then you are expert in DAX functions. If you generate same output in different ways, better to use all these functions. Okay, try to implement different functions and how to use the different and everything. You have to know that one and try to implement. For one output, you have to generate in two different, at least more than one. Try to write that. See here. First one is what I need to do. Using right function, we can generate correct. That is fine. Okay. But in right function, there is a drawback is there. If it is like actually here it is 8 digits are there. Exactly you are mentioning 8 digits. Sometimes what will happen if 0 is not there? Okay. In one of the cell itself, it is like a 8 digits. When one of the cell it is like a 7 digit, 6 digit. then right function won't work. If all the values are fixed one, 8 digits only, that's the reason you can directly mention the 8 digits here, then it will return the value. But see here, see, I don't want like that. Whatever value it is, either it is 7 digit or 6 digit or whatever, that date part I want to extract in new one. Then what you have to do? Where v1 is equal to what we need to do? That means, okay, in this file name date column, from this one to up to here, okay, you need to remove this one, and whatever remaining part is there, that it need to be displayed here. For this one, what you need to do is you need to find a character. You need to find the position of the character, which is the nearest one. Okay, what is my requirement is you have to find any particular character position. That character must and should be there in each and every cell. Okay, so suppose for example you take any character. Okay, you have to find the position of that particular character, and that character must and should be there in each and every cell, and that character is also near to this one. That means I want to extract from this to this, right? Okay, that means near to this two, is there any common value is there? That common value must and should be there in each and every cell. That particular character position you have to find it. After finding a position, you know there are different functions are there to extract a particular character. Let's see how you need to. See, suppose Vijay, DLVR is there. Suppose DLVR is common for each and every cell. Then can we take this common value? Can we find this position value? No. From here to, if I want to find this one, it is very, very far, right? No, I don't want to do like that. What I want to do is, I want to take the nearest value. That means I want to start from here to here, I want to extract it. What is from where we need to start? This one. This one, whatever it is there, from this one, nearest value, whatever it is there, whatever common value is there, from that particular nearest value, common value must and should be there. In that common value, whatever the nearest value is there, that value must and should be there in each and every cell. That character position you have to find. Actually, see here, see, DLVR is common, but it is very far from here it is. Okay. You have to take the nearest one. What is the nearest one? See here, underscore P is the common one. Suppose underscore P0 is the common one. Suppose when you come here, is underscore P0 is there? No. If it is not there, what will happen? That value cannot be written. So that's the reason whatever you are taking the common value, that common value must and should be there in each and every cell. So that relative. So that means, see here, underscore 2 is there. Can we find underscore 2? Is underscore 2 is there in each and every cell or not? Check it once. Don't find underscore, because underscore here also it is there. So immediately it will find this one. Okay. Now what I am doing is underscore 2. If I'm finding underscore 2 position, we can easily extract it. Underscore 2 means this underscore 2 is there in each and every cell or not, it will check it. Yes, it is there. Now you can find the underscore 2 position. If you want to find the underscore 2 position means what function is there to find the position of that particular character? Can anyone tell me? What function is there? Yes, I will tell you. Okay. First of all, for finding a position, what DAX function is there to find that particular one? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Find or search. Don't write find function. Find is a case sensitive, right? Search is not case sensitive. That's the reason in real time, always you have to use search function only. If you want to find the position means search function only you have to use it. Okay, search. In search, what? Okay, first what you need to write? Finding a value. What value you need to find? Underscore 2. See, don't write only 2 because maybe if the 2 is start from anywhere, okay, in the starting it is there. 2 times it is there, starting of the position it will automatically. That's the reason any characters you can take, okay, that must and should be there in each and every cell. So that's the reason I'm giving underscore 2 position. Okay, so from which column it is? File name date. Okay, comma. What is that starting position here? I told you starting position and not found value is common. For any scenario, it is common. Only finding value and column name is changed. What is the starting position here? What is the starting position here? What is the starting position in search function? Anyone? What is the starting position here? Yes, always starting position you have to give 1, comma. Not found values 0. This is fixed. See, in search function, we can easily write the search function because your whatever value you want to find that you need to write from which column, column. Remaining 1, comma 0 is fixed. Okay. Now see here. What will happen? Return v1. See here. That means what position it will find, not underscore 2, underscore position it will find. That means first it will check underscore 2 is there in each and every cell or not. First it will check. Okay. Yes, it is there. If it is there, out of underscore 2, underscore position only it will return. That means this 30 it will return not underscore 2 position. Only underscore in out of underscore 2 position, underscore position only it will return. See here 30. 30 means underscore out of underscore 2, underscore position it will find. Okay. So that means so underscore 2 means if how much you need to add to start from 2 it is actually underscore position it will find how much you need to add to start from here plus 1, right? Can we write like this or not? Yes, that means 30. This is that what is that one out of underscore 2 underscore position is 30. That means but I want to start from 2. That means what is that, how much you need to add? Plus 1 need to. After adding plus 1, how what is that one? Suppose if it is 30, 30 plus 1, how much it is? 31. From 31 to up to how many characters? Up to last characters. Okay, let's see. Now, see here. Now, for all this one, 31, 29, like this. Because out of underscore 2, underscore position value only, that value it will return. But I want to start from which value? 2. That means after underscore only immediately 2 is there. That means we are finding underscore position something x number it is. Next number if I want to go with plus 1 you need to add. That's the reason. Out of this function plus 1 I am adding it. Because from this function what result it is getting? Some x number. For that x number you have to add plus 1. That means that's the reason I'm writing out of this one plus 1 is. Understand clearly? Okay. Next one. Not completed. Okay. Next one. Where v2 is equal to. So now what will happen? Now I need to find the starting position. That means from where I need to start. Okay. That value I am finding that position. From where I need to start, that position value I'm finding this one. What is that? From where I need to start? Where we can start this one from this particular number. That value will be there in V. So that means if you want to extract the characters from the string, then what function you have to use? What is that? if you want to extract the characters from the string, what DAX function are used here? Mid function. What is that? Mid function. In the mid function, same file name date column, you have to write it, comma. Start position means where the start position is there, from where you need to start. Here from 2 onwards, I need to say that 2 value. What is the position? Where it is the position value? It is there in V1 because I'm finding that position value in V1. Okay, that V1 comma. How many number of characters you required? Okay, actually, how many characters are there? Okay, you can directly give 8 or else you can give using length function, length of file name date call. Like this also we can. If you are giving like this, if suppose here it is 30th position, total number it is 38 it is. That means what is the meaning? Here 30, here 38. Meaning is in this file name date column, what is the 30th position is there from the 30th position to up to 38th position, whatever it is that it will be extracted. That is the meaning of this one. I'm writing length means what is that one? Length of that one dynamically. Dynamically. If you are giving 8 means sometimes it is in one of the cell 8 digits are there. In one of the cell 6 digits are there. You cannot change it, right? Dynamically means better to write length. Length of that column. Yeah. So like this. See here? Like this. Once again, I will explain you. Listen carefully. First, what you need to do, whatever see, actually from this file name date column, from this to this character, I want to extract it. Okay. Write function is there. Okay. Leave it about that one. Okay. And in another way also we can generate. So I want to extract from this to this means how you can generate it means. See, first I need to find whatever the nearest value from 2. Okay. What is the common value is there? That common value must and should be there in each and every cell. That must and should be nearest to 2. Understand or not? Nearest to 2 it is. Okay. So that means, so nearest to means DLVR is common value, but DLVR is very far from 2. Okay. Suppose if we are taking like nearest one is P under P01, but here P01 is there. When you go down P03 like that. But common value you need to take. One is P01, one is P03, means that it is failed. You have to take the common. Suppose underscore P0. See here, underscore P0 is common. But in one of the case itself, here in this case, underscore P0 is not there. So you have to find the common value and each and every cell and that to nearest one. What it is there? Underscore 2. Okay. Vijay, suppose for example 2019, 20th century. If I'm giving 19th century, like 1995, something it is there, then what will happen? Then you cannot take this one, underscore 2. You need to think other alternative. Okay. But underscore 2 is common in this column. That's the reason I'm using underscore 2. If it is not common, don't use that one. Okay. So here, first what you need to do? First, I need to find underscore 2 position. Okay, underscore 2 position in this file name date column 1 comma 0. What will happen here? Out of underscore 2, when you are giving, if you are finding any value inside the double quotes, if you are giving more than one character, then first character position only. First it will check underscore 2 is there or not in this, in that cell. So in this cell underscore 2 is there? No? Yes, it is there. Out of underscore 2, only underscore position, first position, first character position only it will return. From that to How much you need to add to get into the 2 means +1. That's the reason I'm writing +1. Understand? Because out of _2, okay, underscore position it will return. After underscore, I want to start from 2. Where the 2 value is there, after underscore only it is there. That's the reason how much next position means, well, if suppose it is 30, it is getting. Next position means 31 it is. If it is 29, next position is 30. Like that's the reason +1 I need to. Okay, in this one, I'm finding a position of that particular character. That means from 2 onwards, okay, I need to start. This 2 position I'm finding. Where it is stored? In V1 it is stored. Okay, now from if I want to extract the characters from, if you want to extract the characters from the string, okay, this is a string. In this string, I want to extract this particular characters. Then you have to use a function called mid. Very, very important. In mid function, file name wait call. Okay, comma start position. From where you can start two value. That these position where we can calculate in V1. That's the reason I'm writing. Comma. Suppose 30. Up to how many characters? You can write 8 static, but don't write static values. 8, 7, 6 like that. Okay. That's the reason dynamically you have to write length of file name date code. Then how many number? That means here the position is 30. Here the total number of characters in the file name date column is 38 total characters are there. That means 30 comma 38. What is the meaning of that one? It will start from 30th character up to 38 position. What characters are there that it will return. What is that one? 2 is there. From here to here it will return. That is what it will return V2. Because this is the final. Understand clearly? Any doubts in this one? Is that clear or not? Nagadurga and Srinivas, Shankar, Rachana, Sampath, everyone. Okay. So remaining options. That means remaining scenarios that we can discuss on Monday. Okay. Remaining scenarios we need to make. So I will clearly explain first folder scenarios. I will give the second folder. You have to practice from there. Don't worry, I will give this output also. I will give the first scenario output. Second scenario without output I'm giving you. Based on the question, you have to read it, understand that one, you have to try to implement. Understand? Okay. Once this first scenario is completed, I will share along with the output, I will share this first scenario, and second scenario without output, I will share to you. You have to implement it. Understand clearly or not? Okay. Any doubts in this one? So we can stop it here and we'll continue on Monday. Okay. And so 9:30 workshop will be there. If anyone wanted to join, you guys can join that one. Okay. So we can stop it here and we'll continue. Sorry, Monday. Okay. Bye guys.